Good morning, YouTube. Today's Thursday the 13th. I didn't catch any trades today, so I'm still down for the week. I'm in a scary situation where 8 of my PAs, I just noticed this today, 8 of my PAs have $900 in drawdown. I left for drawdown, so worst comes to worst, they're around. I'm gonna try to leave it if I have like 2 losing trades. I'm a de-risk hard and just leave him there and trade him with another strategy that I have. But de-risk hard because of the strategies. I'm still testing it. So I still have I keep those accounts still alive. The other ones I'm pretty sure, hopefully I don't jinx it, but I should be able to recover. But that one I'm a little iffy because it's a little bit of room. But hey, worst comes to worst, hopefully I don't have to, it doesn't come down to this. I can just trade him as normal and take him off drawdown. But yeah, worst comes to worst, I'm gonna do that. But for today, didn't catch any trades today. Market was nice, as you can see. Market was nice, but it didn't tag me in. I was waiting for these fills, for these highs to get filled, to get swept, but we didn't get no high. Only in this one, but it just left without me. On the 5-minute, you can clearly see the swept. That it swept the 5 minutes. Look, swept this 5-minute high, tanked, made this high, chopped around, but then tanked. Like shit like that I was anticipating on the 15-minute chart though. So I was waiting for my bad. I was waiting for a high to be swept, but it never got to create a high, only right here, but it never came back. Oh well, tomorrow let's see what trades it bring us. But for right now, I'm gonna just get my braces put in. I'm gonna get 4 teeth removed, so hopefully I don't look all stupid. But probably rest like 2 days for the gym, let that shit heal. But other than that, I probably just be back testing and watching the New York trade. It still hasn't presented itself, so I still don't have nothing to show you. But I don't want to bore y'all with just the back testing. So I want to show you a live trade once I get it. But for right now, still no live trades because I haven't taken in trades, and I'm okay with not taking in trades because I'm following my plan. That's about it, guys. Hopefully next clip I'm taking a trade and I'm taking a dub.
Order filled.
Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Chawo Trades. As you can see in the past clip, I caught a crazy ass win. No drawdown, a little bit of drawdown, nothing crazy, just a lot of volume. Today's Monday the 17th. That trade I took it on Friday last week. Reason I didn't record a recap was because I couldn't talk because they removed 4 teeth from my mouth, so I didn't want to sound all stupid. I still sound stupid, but I didn't want to sound that stupid. But anyways, I'm down. I was down 600 for the week. But today, I'll leave that for the other video. But last week I was down $600. All good. I'm 2 trades away from a payout, so hopefully I can recoup that money and get a payout. Probably won't get those 330 bands this month, but we'll try next month. Other than that, let me just show you a little trade I took. It was nothing crazy. Yeah, there was a massive dump this day. Took it with this right here. It was this Friday. We got a massive dump. I just took it off the liquidity of here, yeah, here with these fair value gaps. I mean, This is what I call a cheap trade, because it's either you hit to take profit like within a minute, or it just goes the other way. But yeah, I caught that nice. Oh shit, I wasn't even watching. I caught that nice dub. Other than that, thanks for watching, and like I said, join the Discord. I'm not active, but just add me and just DM me straight from Discord, and I'll respond. Anyways, thank you for watching.